Hey, you look good. Yeah, I'm busy. She busy. We're busy. We're busy right now. Had a long week. I need a break. I need to relax. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brittany J. I'm your favorite Shady Recruiter. And I tell you the truth about resumes and career and income. And I do it with a little bit of honesty and truth, Cliche. That's it. That's it. Today we're talking about income. I bring you 10 side hustles you can do in the winter right now. Like right now. So listen, every day Americans are looking for extra ways to boost income and get more money in their pocket. So in America, a side hustle is necessity. It's necessity. So Corona is still like a factor in our everyday life. It's like the new normal now. So we had to figure out ways to still make money with Corona going on. Number one, car advertising. If you have a car, you can use companies like Car Advertise. So Car Advertise, if you drive regularly or find yourself in a situation where you have if you find yourself with a long commute to work or just driving for hours on end, advertise your car. Just by advertising your car, you can get up to $1,200 per month, depending on how much you allow them to use your car. So you can do full or you do partial. So there's many companies out there that want to use your car to advertise. Depending on the market you're in and depending on what market platforms come your way, this is a good way for a side hustle. If I had so my girl, next subject. So if you have a better car, advertise pays about $300 to $1,200 monthly. I used to be over 18. There are other companies as well. I'll list them at the bottom. Another company you can use to advertise your car is Free Car Media. They use your rearview mirror and they'll pay up to $400 depending on the advertiser you go with. Keep in mind that any side hustle, be mindful of scams. The free check scam, deposit money. I'll give you a big check, more than what you was promised to the company. I'll give you this, you deposit it and give me like thousands back. That's a scam. That's a scam. So be mindful during your side hustle. People are desperate now. So desperate times call for what? Exactly, desperate measure. So we here because we get it. Honorable mention, you can house sit. We love it. We love it. Like house sitting, like making sure nobody comes in the house. This website, sign up for that, as well as pet sitting. In the winter. In the winter. Okay. Oh no, let me house sit in the Hamptons. Okay. How you doing? If you want to be a house sitter, please check out housesitter.com and care.com. I'll link them at the bottom. Check it out. Side hustle number 2, teach live lessons. If you're an expert in anything, cooking, singing, sewing, drumming, you can teach these lessons on Facebook Live. Didn't even sign up for Airbnb events. When I was in California, I signed up this lady, $20 yoga hike. Okay. It was about 10% of our class. She easily made. Number 3, online tutoring. You can teach kids how to speak English online. So you can have your background. I'll insert some videos. Sites like VIP Kids, Dada, Q Kids, and Schooly are all online tutoring platforms that you will find kids in different countries and teach them English. One of the requirements is you have to be a native speaker of English. So this is an at-home opportunity with competitive salaries. You will need a bachelor's degree in English or related field. Pay is very competitive and varies on qualifications and teaching experience. With Schooly, you'll teach middle school, high school, and university students as well. You can sell your clothes, but here's the thing. You can't just put them on. You have to market them. You have to make sure they look good. You got to style them up, put effort in selling the clothes shop. Because if you don't, nobody's going to want to see that. You can't just put shoes on the floor and like, $20 please. That's not how that works. So we want to see the outfit come to life. I want to see your face speak. I want to see how you gonna style it, and then I buy it. You got to sell the imagination. You got to sell the imagery. That's what you got to sell. Yeah, unwanted clothes, accessories, jewelries, handbags, shoes on the Real Etsy. You can sell on eBay. You can sell on Poshmark. Sell on Poshmark. This is a good side hustle. And also, you can always go buy clothes from like Goodwill and sell them on Poshmark. But you have to create a look to sell it. Start a blog. Are you prepared for anything? Is this your first time doing anything? Are you in any journeys, new journeys? I want to know. You're your first time mother, second time mother, seventh time mother. That I want to read. If you are going on any new journey in your life, that people are going to be behind you. Okay, start a blog, experience these blog, write on this blog, be continuous active on this blog to grow the blog. Do you cook? Do you bartend? What can you share with the world? Start a blog. Tip number 5, manage small companies' social media pages, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. You can contact smaller companies in your area and manage their Facebook for a fee. If you create like a tier, like I can manage all 4 of your websites for $400 monthly. That's a side hustle. It's a side hustle. Small companies don't have time to do that. You can do that for them. Make my life easier. And then sell it to me. Take it upon yourself to take time, contact small companies, and offer your services. Please make sure you know how to utilize Snapchat, Facebook, and all that stuff before you contact them, because you can contact them and don't post nothing. Jesus Christ. Tip number 6, sell on Fiverr. Fiverr. You edit? Do you do photography? Do you make music? Put yourself on Fiverr. You can also find me on Fiverr soon, because I sell resume services. There are people on Fiverr making up to 6 figures a year. 6 figures a year. So why are you not on Fiverr again? You can't find nothing? Like you ain't got no you ain't got no hobbies? You can do nothing? Come on now. You got something. You can do something now. Tip number 7, you can be a transcript. There's a site called rev.com. Okay. I personally did this, and how it works is you get an audio file. You have to convert it to written. Tip number 8, virtual assistant. This job requires little to no experience. None. But you do need certain soft skills in order to be a good virtual assistant, such as people skills, attention to detail, organizational skills, and communication skills. If you can manage all this, then you can be a virtual assistant. And this is a very easy side hustle you could do on your own time, on your own schedule during the winter. Being a virtual assistant is really like traditional assistant. You're just doing tasks delegated to you virtually. Number 10, open an e-com store. Open e-com store. Or even a drop shipping. Little fizzy things. If you had a drop ship store, you know how much money you would... If you had a drop ship store, you know how much money you would have made from that? Little fidget spinners. Those things was like $2 to make, and it was selling for $5 or $10. Lights and spit. That was a drop ship. You know the little massage ball? Drop ship. Brushes? Drop ship. Clothes? E-com store. Isn't just a little bonus. You can beta test. As a beta tester, you get paid to share your opinions and your experience. So sign up, apply at a global community by taking a practice test. You then take that test, get feedback on products that you know and use today. And then you get paid for every 20 minutes test you complete, and even more for interviews. Please like, comment, share. Let's talk in the bottom. What have you tried that I missed? Any new ideas? Let me know. You guys, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Again, I am Brittany J, your shady recruiter. If you have any resume questions or interview questions, please DM me on Instagram. I post a lot of memes. I post a lot of shady memes. And I also give resume and interview tips on the Instagram as well. DM me, follow me. So with that being said, keep your jam out.